Afternoon, students. So today we will see the unit 2 chapter 4 organ and organ system in animals. In the lesson we have studied the earthworm and cockroach and frog. Okay, wow. So in that from introduction from microbes to the blue whale organism equivalent different size and shape with a well organized organ and organ system. The basic of tissue we already studied in chapter 3. So how it is associated in the organ system, and then how it will form the multicellular organism. So each such organ is essential for the efficient and better coordinated activity of the million of cells constituting an organism. You are being introduced to understand the morphology and anatomy of the three organisms placed at a different evolutionary level to show their organization and function. So morphology refers to the study of form of externally visible features. The word anatomy is used for the study of the internal organ in the animals. This chapter deals with the morphology and anatomy of invertebrates represented by the earthworm and cockroach, and the vertebrates represented by frog. So earthworm. So what is the zoological name of earthworm? Lambeomorti. So first we will see the organ of earthworm. Okay, and earthworm is a terrestrial invertebrate. It's an invertebrate, so it didn't have a backbone, so it is an invertebrate. It is a terrestrial land animal. So upper layer of the moist soil rich in decaying organic matter. So it is where it is present means in upper layer of the moist soil and decaying organic matter. It is nocturnal and during the day. It be burrows made by burrowing and swallowing the soil in garden. They can be traced by their fecal deposits known as worm casting on the soil surface. Earthworm are considered as a friend of farmer. That we already know that. The common Indian earthworm are Lambeomorti. So and Peranaxi, exfoliatant and Metaphoropostherma. So these are the another earthworms. Lot of earthworm, different earthworm names, zoological name. Earthworm is also conveniently classified based on the ecological strategy as epigeous, anaceous, and endogeous. Okay, so based on that, it is a surface dwellers. Okay, so Greek word only up on the earth means that is a earthworm. Okay, it's a surface dwellers. Perimaxi expecta and the Edulia iguinea. So these are the out of the earth. This is the Greek meaning. Or found in the upper layer of the soil. Lambeomortia and Lumbrica terrestrius endogeous. These are the within the earth. So found in the deeper layer of the soil is called as Actomorthosteus. So now we go for the classification of the earthworm. It is coming under the category phylum Annelida, class Oligochaeta, order Haplotoxida, genus is Lampita, species is Moridi. Then we genus species together we call it as a Lambeomorti. Morphology, outer structure. Lambeom is commonly found in Tamil Nadu. It has a long and cylindrical narrow body which is bilaterally symmetrical. So 2 bi means 2 later. So Lambeomorti L is Lambeo. So 80 to 210 mm in length with a diameter of 3.5 to 5 nm, and is light brown in color with a purplish tinge at the anterior end. This color of the earthworm is mainly due to the presence of porphyrin pigment. The body of the earthworm is encircled by a large number of grooves which divide into a number of compartments called segment of metamus. Okay, so it is considered about the 165 to 190 segments. The dorsal surface of the body is marked by a dark mid-dorsal line. Okay, along the longitudinal axis of the body. The ventral surface is distinguished by the presence of a genital opening. The mouth is found in the center of the first segment. See, this is the earthworm structure. So normal up it is a prostrium and the glytellum. So 14 to 15 is also segment organ. So how we are studying in the 10th standard, the first lesson you are studying, no? So what you are studying? Leech, Indian leech we are studying. Gyratonaria granulosa. So how that 33 segments, the same way we are studying in the 11th standard also. The body is seated and anus is the last. So dorsal view and ventral view. Okay, so this is the next structure. B and C is the dorsal view and ventral view. See the dorsal pose, 3 pose. Dorsal side is there. Opening and spermatic gland in the ventral side is the same basic sperms having. Another one thing, it is having a same sex organ present in the single organism. So this is the very important one. So prostodium and mouth and opening of the oviduct. Okay, so 14 to 17 the oviduct it is present in that. The 14-16 is very very important. This is a glidella, we call it as a glidella. Okay, it is a for the body it is a opening is there. This opening we call it the peristomium. overhanging the mouth in small flap called upper lip or prostomium. The last segment has anus called as the pyridium. Okay, the mature worm segment is 14 to 17 may be mature. So swollen with the glandular thickening of the skin. Okay, so very glandular thickening of the skin only, that is only we can call it as a glytellum. Why it is present means because it is helpful in formation of the cocoon. Okay, due to the presence of glytellum. The body of the earthworm is divided into preclitellar region, where what are they 1 to 13th segment we call as a preclitella. After 14 to 17 a glytellar region or glytellar region. Post glytellar region is after the 17th to end. Okay, wow. So this is the expert of the first, last and glytum. There is a ring chitinous body where seta. This body is seta areas from the cetaceous sacs is called skin. It is a curve shaped, it is look like a S shaped. So see first, this is the structure. See in this structure it is a S shaped, no? So based on that only it is there. Okay, so this is the S shaped structure. See, so most probably look like a S shape. So can be postural and redirect and the principal role in the locomotion. So the external aperture of the mouth, the anal dorsal pole, spermathecal opening, sperms forming only, it is a opening. Okay, where it is a spermathecal opening is that means, so this is the oviduct, ovum, it is that. Then the same side in this left side only the, see, this is the spermathecal, sperms present in that. Okay, so the arthropods are present in the 10th segment onwards. The pores that keep the body surface moist and the harmful microorganism. So spermathecal opening and the 3 bars, it's very very important. 6 bar 7, 7 bar 8, 8 bar 9. So we note down 6, 7, 8. So these 3 is very very important for the 14th segment. So laterally we enter in the 18th segment. So nephtharium or numerous are found throughout the body of the earthworm except the few anterior segment through which the metabolic waste are eliminated. So, okay, this is the morphology of earthworm. Next class we see the anatomy. Okay, thank you students.